Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a lock screen, PIN, password, or pattern lock on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is the main hub where you can control all aspects of your device's security and personalization. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find security and privacy, then tap on it. This section contains all the important security features that help protect your personal data and keep your device safe from unauthorized access. Next, tap on Device Unlock. This option specifically controls how you unlock your phone, and it's where you'll configure your primary security method for accessing your Pixel. Now tap on Screen Lock. This is where you'll set up the actual lock method that will protect your device every time the screen turns off or when you manually lock it. Here's where you get to choose what type of security you want for your device. You can choose between pattern, PIN, or password. Each option offers different levels of security and convenience. A pattern is quick to draw but might be easier for someone to see and remember if they're watching. A PIN is a numeric code that's fast to enter. A password offers the strongest security since it can include letters, numbers, and symbols. For this example, let's choose PIN. Tap on it to proceed with setting up your numeric code. Now input your PIN. Choose something memorable but not too obvious like your birthday or 1234. Make it something secure that only you would know. Once you've entered your desired PIN, tap Next to continue. The system will ask you to re-enter your PIN to confirm it. This step ensures you didn't make any typos and that you remember what you just set. Type your PIN again exactly as you entered it before, then tap Confirm. After confirming your PIN, you'll see options for what you want your lock screen to show. You can choose to display all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or hide all notifications. Choose what you prefer based on your privacy needs and tap Done. And that's it. You've successfully set up a lock screen PIN on your Google Pixel, adding an essential layer of security to your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.